Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at how to create round corners in Canva like you see right here. Now, why would you want to do something like that? Check this out. Right here, we have a little template already that shows a cell phone with rounded corners. So if I have a screenshot that I want to throw in here, and I'll show it to you right now, I'll pull this one right here, and I will try to fit it within the phone. As you can see, the edges kind of bleed out into the corner of the phone, right? So what you want to do is have this selected, and I'm going to hit this little corner rounding function right here. Now when I touch it, it actually says corner rounding, so I hope you can see that, but I'm going to go ahead and hit that. As I increase this, you'll see that the corners get rounder and rounder. Now it starts to fit within the phone. I can resize it a little bit and it looks a lot better. It looks like it might actually fit within this phone, okay? You can actually do this for almost anything within Canva. So I'm going to, let's go home, jump in here, and see I'll use one of these. I'll grab this one, throw it in here. It doesn't matter what it is, any kind of thing with sharp corners, select it, hit round corners. Maybe you just want round corners as part of your design, you know, who knows? But there it is. This little thing right here, just make sure you have it selected. And the more you increase it, the more rounder it gets. If you have any questions or comments, let me know below.